What's up, guys? Crypto Comet coming back at you with another technical analysis journal. Let's see what we got going on today in the markets. All right, so yesterday we were talking about this triangle pattern on the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame. And as you guys can see, as I can see, right, I was correct about Bitcoin going up and breaking down, right? As you can see, we went from 101,000 yesterday to this morning. We are now at 97,000, right? My prediction was that we would be testing the $96,000 level, all right? And doesn't seem like I was that far off. Go to the 4-hour time frame, see what's happening. Yeah, guys, look at that. My prediction was extremely valid. We're not even completely done testing the bottom, right? We can come down as far as the 95 level. I said 96, but hey, 96 is it. 96 is like here, right? So yeah, we could come down to 96. We could come down to the 95, and then we should see a movement back upwards. See what the MACD is saying on this 4-hour chart, real quick. Yeah, on the MACD we got a bearish cross, so we're not done going down here, guys. I'm thinking we're gonna hit that $95,000 level. That's my assumption. At least that's what I would like to see. We go back to the daily time frame though. See, the MACD cross isn't so bearish anymore on the daily time frame. You see, we still got a bearish cross, but you can see it's kind of curving into each other, right? So we're gonna see what happens with this. I don't know. I would like to see this somewhere else on the chart. Got the blue, got the line. Yeah, man, guys, we could literally come down a little bit more. That's what I think. I think it's very possible that we keep going down. I'm still holding on to my position, guys. Yesterday I was in $50 profit. Now I'm down to the negatives because I didn't want to take out on that retest. I want to ride all the way up. Look over here on the platform screen. I want to ride all the way up to the top of this. Right? I want to see us hit 116,000, 150,000. And I still think that Bitcoin is going to go to around $150,000. Let's check out the RSI VWAP indicator. That should be bullish if I'm correct. Exactly. You see this? We're still moving up, guys. We're still going up. We're not in this territory yet. All right, we're not in this overbought territory. Okay, so I still think we're going to go up. I think this is just a retest, and we're going to break right back out of this pattern. Granted, it's possible to come down, but if we were to break down, guys, we're talking about a $71,000 to $71,000 Bitcoin, and if it breaks out lower. But we did all this work to get to the top of this pattern. There's no way that that thing is going down. All right, and because I'm a position trader, only thing I would likely do is add to this position. I'm margined at $271, leveraged at 11x, right? The value of this whole position is $974. But guys, I've watched the value of this position change from $974 to like 1,000 something, which means that my profit that I have been making, it's cool, you know what I mean? But it isn't the full profit that I could be making. Why? It's because I have it set to isolated. All right. If I turn this to cross margin, which I can't seem to figure out on this platform. If I change this to cross margin, my position would be funded by my entire account, but it is not funded by my entire account. So therefore, only portion of my position is being leveraged, which is why my profit is relatively small. All right. Now, this is just a strategy that I'm testing out, guys. My next strategy that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be moving to Bybit, actually. because you have a lot better control over the options. Even though I do enjoy CoinFlare, formerly known as Bitflex, I would definitely recommend CoinFlare for beginners. And for people who are more experienced in trading, I will go with Bybit. All right. Anyway, back to the technical analysis, guys. Technical analysis. We're here at a retest. All right, and I think it's going to break out and go up. I am not changing my analysis. I see it's breaking through this $107,000, $108,000 level and going up to potentially the $150,000 level. All right, $140,000, $150,000 level. All right, that's my analysis of the Bitcoin charts. All right, let's look at these. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. So my trade is in right now, guys. It's all about being patient. As a position trader, what we do is we position ourselves, right? We choose a trade, we find an entry, we buy into that entry, and we hold that entry for days, for weeks at a time, sometimes months to years. All right, let's see. I wrote it down. Let's see. All right. So here is my strategy as a position trader, guys. All right. So take a look at this. This is what position traders do. All right. So here's the strategy overview. This is my trader's journal. I call this the long-term buy and hold strategy. All right. The whole goal of this strategy is to basically trade like you hodl. All right. The same way that you hodl Bitcoin is how you should be trading. All right. As a position trader. All right. So this strategy involves buying Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies and holding on to the position for an extended period with the goal of generating capital gains through long-term appreciation. All right. This is a step-by-step breakdown, guys. So all you're going to do is you're going to buy Bitcoin. The cryptocurrencies on an exchange, you're going to hold and maintain that position for a long time, often years, months, without selling or closing the position. Doesn't matter if it goes into the negatives like you're seeing right now. Yesterday, we were well into the profits, right? Now we're into the negatives, but we are stoic. You have to remain stoic as a position trader, as a trader in general, all right? Once you do that, your capital gains, as the price of Bitcoin increases over time, you generate capital gains, all right? Which are profits made from selling an asset that has appreciated in value. All right, the key benefits of doing this, it exposes the trader to potential capital gains or losses, right? And it reduces the need for frequent buying and selling, minimum transaction costs and taxes on the exchange. You guys know that these exchanges have a lot of fees. All right, you can avoid that by putting in fewer trades, by position trading. All right, this strategy also helps you to focus on the long-term potential of the asset rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits. All right, what you want to consider that's very important is this strategy does involve risks such as market volatility. All right, so you want to watch where you're putting your stop losses. You want to watch where you have your positions. All right, you want to watch that liquidation price. All right, this strategy involves you to do an extensive amount of research. You have to set your goals, and you have to develop the positioning strategy that suits your individual need and risk tolerance. All right, so this is how we move as position traders. This is how we're moving right now. All right, so right now, if we look at our trade, back over here at our trade, we have a liquidation price of 70,000. All right, 70,000. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is going up, and I think it's going to continue to do so. We should head back up to like this 59-60% level for the Bitcoin dominance, which means altcoins will probably be going down right now, which means you need to be buying altcoins. All right, there's going to be a time where the altcoin season comes and Bitcoin is going to take a relaxation period. All right, it's going to consolidate or trade sideways, and during that time, altcoins are going to go crazy. Look over here on the weekly time frame. Bitcoin in the longer term time frame, it could go down to the 55% level, or we can go up to the 60% level. Either way, guys, you want to be buying into your altcoins. Okay, buy your altcoins, position yourselves. Ones with good fundamental value. If you're going to do memes, then go with memes that are known to do well. Dogecoin, you get me? Dogecoin for sure. All right. Looks like we might be coming down for a retest, guys, on the Bitcoin dominance, and then we're going to head back up. So stock into your altcoins, stock up on your altcoins, stock up on your Bitcoin. All right. But as of right now, we're still continuing this retest, guys. We come down to the $95,000 level, 96, 95. We can go and we can bounce and break back up. All right. The whole thing is we are in this pattern. All right. We don't want to fake out. We want to see an actual breakout past the $107,000 level. Then we know that we're doing something. All right. So right now, as a position trader, it's just a matter of being patient. You guys, you don't have to hold on to your trades, but me personally, I'm gonna hold on to this trader. To this trade. All right. I'm documenting this stuff so I can learn, become a better trader. All right. Anyway, that was the video journal for today on the Bitcoin analysis. All right. So we're still looking at 150,000 Bitcoin target. But this is after we break past the $107,000 level and after we complete our retest. All right. There's just a lot of money coming into the markets right now, guys, and Bitcoin is bound to capture a lot of that liquidity. All right. With that being said, guys, thank you for checking out my technical analysis video journal today, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.